Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in same page on ongoing civil justice sign-off is all for Pope Francis, the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist created, tax mandate COVID-19 singles type Buddhism monks worldwide to enforce a single for them and to destroy their entire human operations and to enforce to be live with emotional torture with brain nerve cells destroyed. And it is a deadliest crime, and civil justice must be served. So basic birthrights level, all humans destroyed, and even the basic rights have been stripped off by enforcement by Pope Francis across the globe from all civilians worldwide, regardless of whatever status they are, is the harshest reality, and nobody left out in the Pope Francis mandated 666 mark of the beast scandal. So yes, I am going to get yes, I am going to get civil justice for total Buddhism monks population and enforced to be singles forever to live with emotional torture. And President Joe Biden must resign immediate for fatal negligence. And Dalai Lama should also resign immediately and must be waiting to get it back into the volcano in Hawaii to be fried in ashes and to be gone in ashes. Okay, so I will repeat one more time. Dalai Lama should also resign immediately, get out of the palace now, and must wait on the queue to get back into the volcano to get fried in ashes and to be gone without any trace, to enforce the singles for innocent Buddhism monks without their awareness, and that is deadliest crime. And I, where the Priya become the Supreme Chief Chief Vatican leader now, and I, where the Priya becomes Supreme Civil Chief Family Law Judge, and for all nations I displayed, and for all nations, and for I displayed $1 trillion errors of wrongful hell mandate Pope Francis created hell divorce process. I can bail out DCF later when I become medical director for all nations. So prosecution, crucifixion enforced to humans in different versions every day. Can you all see how innocent civilians enforced to look at fault mode when innocent, and Pope Francis created hell always look godly, godly, holy, holy, Highness Republica, God of USA, like that, and why nations population without any awareness only worshipping deadliest Antichrist as a god and his $1 trillion scandal. Yes, I am the mouthpiece for entire single Buddhism monks population slaughtered and butchered by Antichrist, Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer. Either Pope Francis should say knows what is single Buddhism monks, or Pope Francis should say don't know who are Buddhism monks in the earth. We either ways we won the case of ongoing civil justice sign-off for medical finance compensation of tax-free $500,000 trillion to be paid to each civilian times total population worldwide daily forever. So can you all understand how emotional level, feelings level, Pope Francis, absolute monarchs, Queen of England and Elizabeth II just destroyed anything of humanity worldwide, all for fanatic love of crown alone. So Buddhism monks to mandated to be single was also created for tax mandate, and nobody knew that scandal. It was because of the Pope Francis. Okay, absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to enforce and mandate single for innocent Buddhism monks worldwide to destroy brain nerves damages, and there is no other crime that is deadliest category than to enforce innocent Buddhism monks to be mandated single and to strip off basic male or female human operating system to be enforced, to be malfunctioned by Vatican code of abuse law, scandal mandate, tax mandate, and pain inflicted on Buddhism monks population worldwide by enforcement, and that is absolutely wrong. So how precious lives of civilians destroyed without awareness. In the disease life cycle, always disease creators is at fault and never innocent. So for destroyed holy marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nerve cells mode, it is absolute monarch Satans must pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. So I, where the pre-approved Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis is Satan, Antichrist created singles mandated for tax mandate COVID-19 666 mark of the beast process model. So Pope Francis must resign now, and Dalai Lama should get out of the palace in the Tibet now, and then must wait to get into the volcano in Hawaii. and I become Vatican leader now is a civil justice served, and I should be only leading the enterprise software design architect solutions for entire software world. So you all got correct education. How President Joe Biden will resign in next 1 second is because Queen of England is Antichrist is proved, Pope Francis is Antichrist is proved, Dalai Lama is a Satan and also an Antichrist is also proved, and entire Democrat government will be fainting and passing out just by being aware of why US is in handcuffed mode. I want to convey I Vedapriya eradicated COVID-19 plague, and as of January 25th of 2021, it can help me when USA government pays me tax-free salary of $1 billion using direct deposit. Can help me to take care of my basic essentials because I'm in absolute finance crisis. Please, USA government, please help me. Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, created tax mandate COVID-19 type Buddhism monks, mandated singles, and Pope Francis must get out of the earth now only in volcano in Hawaii. So civil justice as of January 2021 today, according to the Holy Bible guidelines, says Pope Francis must should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever, and Pope Francis must resign now, and President Joe Biden must resign now, and Dalai Lama, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, who destroyed the innocent Buddhism monks' lives, must also resign and must get ready to get into the volcano in Hawaii. And I, Vedapriya, become Vatican leader now with salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge and Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge across the globe for all nations now, and I, Vedapriya, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Chief Director for all nations to lead Medical Services Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization. Then I, Vedapriya, true native Indian tribe, true Israelite Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, and Jerusalem, must become the interim leader of USA now, and and then the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, and USA government must should pay emergency medical finance aid to prevent homeless, to prevent poverty, to prevent all the pauper beggar mode for me and pay me tax-free $1 billion salary for I eradicated COVID-19 plague faster than any robo, and also displayed all the USA government operations errors, and also displayed why Queen Elizabeth II is a Satan, Antichrist, Lucifer, and why Pope Francis is Antichrist, the Satan, the Lucifer, who destroyed the entire human population lives, precious lives, and also saved entire human kingdom, and proved absolute monarchs destroyed national operations, and proved Pope Francis is Antichrist, the hell creator, must never live in earth. So whatever in Holy Bible is happening now, okay? So civil justice wins always is wisdom. I am that I am born to save the world. So, okay, so just be patient. We are all winning case by case, and it's all home run. So just be happy. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now.